Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix World War 3 Steam authentication failed error which is happening for many of the users, and let's dive into it. So what you have to do is, the first step what you have to do is you just have to restart the Steam. That is what you have to do. So as you can see, if the Steam is already open, just have to close it, then you just have to wait for a few seconds and you just have to open your Steam, and most probably then try to launch the game. The issue has to be fixed, and this is what you have to do. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to run the Steam as an administrator. And if you don't know how to run the Steam as an administrator, then you just have to follow the instruction. So what you have to just have to right click over here. So I'll close this. So just go to Steam icon, right click, and you have to click on run as administrator. So it will be opening like this. Now go to the library and launch the game, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about, you have to verify the integrity of game files. For that, you just have to open this. Now from here, as you can see here, the game will be there. So what you have to do is you just have to select it, okay, the respective game. For example, in World War 3, so you have to select it, and you have to what you have to do, just right click and go to properties. Now from here, go to local files, and there is an option called verify integrity of game file. Just click on this one. Here I have shown an example with Forza Horizon 5, so don't get confused. You can do the same for World War 3, right? And this is what you have to do. After clearing out the integrity of game files, the next is all about, you have to move to the next step. That is all about, you have to check for Steam update. So if you wanted to check for Steam update, just have to go over here, open the Steam. Then what you have to just have to go over here at the top. There is an option called check for Steam client update. Just click on this one, and most probably that will be checking out. And as you can see, this is on the latest version and it is up to date, so there is no issue with that. In your case, if it is any kind of updates are there, they will get updated, so you just have to wait for it. Once it is done, you just have to close or minimize the Steam. You have to close this and minimize it and try to launch the game. And even after trying this, if it's still not working, the rest is all about, it's related to this one called, what should I say, it is related to the server. For many of the users, when many users are playing the game at a time, there is a very probability the servers may be filled up. So you just have to wait for a couple of 20 to 48 hours. You can check the official Twitter account and all those things, where they will be updated from the official side. Once after that, most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.